Hi there, garden enthusiast. Welcome to our green corner, where we are diving into the wonderful world of garden designs. You might be wondering, why does a well designed garden matter? Well, think of it like this: a garden is not just a bunch of plants, it is a living canvas that can bring joy, tranquility, and even a touch of magic to your everyday life. Whether you are a seasoned green thumb or just getting started with your first potted plant, this video is your ticket to creating a garden that reflects your style and fits your lifestyle. So grab your garden glove and let's embark on a journey to transform your outdoor space into a little slice of paradise right at home. Now, before you start envisioning flower beds and shrubs, let's take a moment to understand why this matters. Imagine stepping into your backyard and feeling an instant connection with nature. A well designed garden is not just aesthetically pleasing, it is a personal retreat, a place to unwind after a hectic day, and a canvas for your creativity. In this video, we are not just going to talk about plants and colors, we are delving into the art and soul of gardening. So, whether you are working with a sprawling backyard or a cozy balcony, join me as we unlock the secrets to designing a garden that is not just beautiful but uniquely yours. Let's the green adventure begin. Alright, let's kick off the gardening journey by talking about getting started. First thing, take a good look at your outdoor space, whether it is a backyard, a balcony, or a tiny patio. Figure out that what you are working with. Are there sunny spots or shady corners? Knowing these details will be your starting point. Now let's chat about zones, not the science fiction kind, but your gardening zone. It is like knowing your garden's personality. Different plants thrive in different zones, depending on factors like temperature and climate. Don't fret through. There are plenty of resources to help you indefinitely your zone. And hey, we are helping it budget friendly here. So no need to break the bank. We will explore tips that will not burn a hole in your pocket but will surely spot some garden magic. Ready to roll up your sleeves. Let's dive into the green adventure. Let's talk about turning those garden dreams into reality. First off, find a comfy spot, grab a cuppa, and let your imagination run wild. Think about the vibe you want. Maybe a peaceful retreat, a burst of colors, or even a place for your morning coffee. Picture yourself there. Now grab a sketch pad and just the back of your old envelope. No need for fancy tools. Jot down your ideas. It is like mapping out your dreams vacation, but this time it is your garden escape. Now, where does nature fit into your dreams? Are you inspired by wild, vibrant city parks or the calm of Zen garden? Let nature be your guide. Next thing, practically. Let's talk about the must haves when it comes to designing your garden. First off, we have got to think about balance and harmony. Just like a great recipe need the right mix of ingredients, your garden should have a balance of elements. Think about tall plants balancing out shorter ones and vibrant colors playing off each other. It is like creating a symphony of nature in your own backyard. Now let's chat about focal points. Every garden needs something that grabs your attention, like a centerpiece at the dining table. It could be a striking statue, a unique plant, or even a cozy sitting area. Focal point give your garden character and make it memorable. Lastly, let's splash in some colors that connect. Imagine your garden as a painting. You want colors that complement and bring joy. It is not about a being of color expert. It is about picking shades that make you happy and create a welcome vibe. So as we dive into the essential membranes, it is all about finding that sweet spot where your garden feels just right. Now let's get our hand dirty with the some down to earth tips for turning your garden dreams into reality. First off, when you are stepping into the gardening world, it is crucial to know your space. Take a good look at your backyard, balcony, or wherever you plan to unlash your green thumb. Assess the sunlight, the shade, and the nooks and crannies that make your space unique. Knowing your zone, or in simpler term, understanding the climate of your area, help you pick the right plants that will thrive in without putting as a fuss. And here a little secret, you don't need a hefty budget to start. There are plenty of budget friendly hacks to elevate your garden game, from using recycled materials from plants or swapping seeds with fellow gardeners. So let's keep it real and affordable as we embark on this gardening adventure. Now let's talk about dreaming and planning. No, you don't need an art degree for this part. Grab a pen and paper or use the Note app to on your phone and start sketching out your garden ideas. Think about what inspires you in nature. It could be the vibrant color of the sunset, the tranquility of the forest, and even the speciality in the single flower. These sketches will be your roadmap guiding you as you bring your garden vision to life. And when it comes to choosing plants, keep it simple, especially if you are just starting. Opt for beginners friendly plant that won't demand a PhD in botany to care for. These practical tips on the backbone of your garden design journey, ensuring that your green space not only looks great but also thrive without causing you unnecessary gardening headaches. Now, armed with these tips, get out there, experiment, and let your garden thrive.